neighbors are happy about that one. I think it's gonna say running. Chop chop. Wake up. Good morning, good morning. It is like 5:45 in the morning, and my neighbors are gonna hate me for this, but it's time for a cold start. Might take a few attempts. Ooh, I know my neighbors are happy about that one. It's gonna say running. Chop chop. Wake up. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and drop that thumbs up button. In today's video, this video has been a long time in the making. Today we are getting on the dyno, a hub dyno at that. Ortiz Performance is going to be doing his magic, and he's going to be getting the car dialed in finally. Do you know how long it's been? Literally, since I've had a really good running car, it's been almost, I'd say about a year and a half since it's been running how it should have been. With that being said, guys, let's pray for 1,000 wheel horsepower. Let's say a quick prayer. Alright, that's all it took. We are going to make 1,000 wheel horsepower. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what kind of power you think we're going to make and what kind of 60 to 130 time we're going to do, maybe right after or maybe in a separate video. We'll see how hot the car is by the time that we're done on the dyno. I'm super excited, as you could tell. Let's just get on the road. Alright guys, we got the trunk loaded with the E85 and ice. We are good to go. For those of you wondering why I got a bunch of ice, well, it's simple. We're going to be doing back-to-back pulls in the killer chiller with this pulley combination. Really doesn't keep the car that cool. We're good for maybe 3 to 4 pulls back-to-back in this temperature, which is about 40 degrees, and then we're going to be heat soaked. So I'd rather be safe than sorry, and we're going to ice it down after the first pull while we wait for a revision from Ortiz. First pull, we're only going to be revving out to 7,000. With that being said, they're waiting on me at the dyno appointment. I'm late. I'm supposed to be there about 10 minutes ago. I'm about 10 minutes away. So on the road we go. Almost all set up. We are on a hub dyno today. Here we go with pull number 2. So first run, as you see, we have this little hiccup right here, but we still made 867 wheel horsepower and 716 torque. That's only running it up to 7,000 RPM. Alright guys, that seemed a little rowdy. Let's see what she made.
950.1 horsepower. All we did was really just a little bit of fueling and we'll make it about 70 pounds long. So, as you can see, 951 wheel at an average of 604 horsepower. Before it was an average of 572, 867 horse. That's just maybe adding a little bit of timing and more fuel. It was actually a little lean still on that hit. All right guys, so we just got another file from Ortiz Performance. We're loading that onto the car right now with the TDN network. Obviously we're using the RTD Plus. IAT is working a little hot, so we went ahead and iced down the tank, and right now it's just a waiting game. All right guys, we are getting ready to do the third pull. We just got another tune loaded by Ortiz Performance. I can't stress enough, click the link down in the description below. Get your car tuned by Ortiz Performance. He's making some absolutely amazing power on the Roush setup. For those that don't believe it's still a Roush, let's take a look. Alright guys, that sounded wild. Let's take a look at what it makes. So that run we made 963 wheel horsepower, 766 torque. Alright guys, that last round was actually invalid data. We were supposed to run it up to 7,500 RPM. We only brought it up to 7,000. This time we're going to go to 7,500 and see what it makes. Crossing our fingers for 1,000 wheel horsepower right now. Oh my God.
You have a rev limiter on it?
I don't know.
That almost sounds like it's hitting rev limiter in 7.
Seems like it hit rev limiter.
Yeah. 58, but it's 7. It really...
Let me check with Ortiz.
I mean, you heard...
Alright guys, we're going to try it in 6th gear this time. It's falling on its base at 7. And right after 7,000 RPM like it would on the factory Roush tune. So we're going to try it on 6, see if it goes all the way to the 7,500 RPMs, and then we'll go from there. Here goes everything. Same forever. 999.7. Can I get 0.3 more? All right, I actually forgot to start the login process. I was so excited to see if that was my issue. We're gonna try it again, the 6th gear. 1,000 wheel, let's go! $1,003 wheel horsepower. All right, guys, that last pull, we got the power that we wanted. 1,003 wheel horsepower at 7,400 RPM. This time we're going up to 7,800. Let's say 1,050. My prediction was actually 1,030. That's my final number, but I think it's gonna make a little bit more. We're
still got a little bit more adjustments to make within the tune. Here we go. Let's see what she made. 1,033. Look at that, 1,033. 779 foot-pounds of torque. Am I a happy man? Yes, I am. 1,033 wheel horsepower, guys. You have no idea how much that excites me. I originally thought 1,030. I wasn't very far off. Right now, we're actually going to rev it out to 8,300 RPMs. The tune seems to be good, up to 7,400 RPMs. Why not add another 900 RPMs? We're icing it down right now. This is probably the glory hit. See how much power it makes. And then we're going to call it, get the car weighed. He actually has scales here, so that's very convenient. I got the ice tank running right now. And getting this ice down. Alright guys, we're about to get the glory hit in, 8,300 RPMs. We're logging it, of course. We're going to send it over to Ortiz, make sure everything is perfected before we take it off the dyno and put the wheels back on. That being said, I'm going to set the camera up and get some footage from the back. Let's get all the power out of this. Last try. Shakes the ground. Alright guys, one more hit. We're making one more. This is the glory hit. 1,100 wheel horsepower. Let's go. Alright guys, unfortunately it ends there. It looks like we're running out of fuel just a little bit on the top. I don't know if it's a pump going out and maybe a voltage issue as well. Could be that we need bigger injectors, maybe a pump is dying, but we are getting a fuel delivery error, which is a little concerning, so we're going to just go ahead and cut it off here until we further diagnose the problem. With that being said, I am very happy with 1,033 wheel horsepower. Seemed to be heat soaking up at the top on the other pulls, so I guess 1,033 was our glory hit. Okay, so at the end of the day, we made 1,038 wheel horsepower and 783 torque. Very happy with the results. We are running out of fuel on the top, so we're going to have to figure that issue, check the plugs, make sure the gap is still good, and from there we'll probably have to hop back on here within the next few weeks. Time to get this thing weighed. Well, the car's a little heavier than what I thought, 4,015 pounds. All right, guys, to say that I'm not happy would be a lie. I'm super happy. Again, hit up Ortiz Performance. Definitely get him to tune your Mustang. We've gone through some shit with him, and finally we got this car running right. I have to see how it drives on the street. Probably not in today's video, but in the next video we'll test out 60 to 130s, etc., and really test this car out. I'm ecstatic with the numbers that I made. I'm a little concerned with the weight that this thing has. I'm gonna have to start taking some weight out. 4,000 pounds. I probably have 50 to 100 pounds in here of extra stuff in the back seat, car seat, etc. But we'll get all that taken care of. With that being said, guys, I am very happy. 1,038 wheel horsepower in 6th gear. To think that we probably make another 30 to 50 wheel horsepower in 7th gear is insane. That being said, guys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you have, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to see next. Until next time, I'm checking out.